What if I told you there's a country where time stands still in the shadow of ancient gods, where turquoise seas meet whitewashed villages, and where every corner whispers legends thousands of years old? Welcome to Greece, a destination where history, culture, and beauty collide like nowhere else on Earth. In this video, we're counting down the 20 places you absolutely must visit in Greece. And trust me, while every spot on this list is worth your time, number 1 is an unforgettable must-see. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be dreaming of your next Greek adventure. Let's dive in. 20. Nafplio. Once the capital of modern Greece, this charming seaside town is lined with neoclassical buildings, narrow cobblestone alleys, and seaside cafes. Climb the Palamidi Fortress for sweeping views of the Argolic Gulf and lose yourself in the romance of its Phoenician past. It's the perfect introduction to Greece's quieter side. 19. Zagori villages. Hidden in the mountains of northwestern Greece, the Zagori region offers fairy tale-like stone villages, dramatic gorges, and arched stone bridges. It's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers, far from the usual tourist path. 18. Thessaloniki. Greece's vibrant second city is a melting pot of history and youth culture. Walk along the seafront promenade, explore Byzantine churches, and taste some of the best street food in the country. Thessaloniki's nightlife? It's legendary. 17. Nisyros Island. Home to one of the most fascinating volcanoes in Europe, Nisyros is raw, untouched, and eerily beautiful. You can literally walk inside a volcanic crater here. It's like standing on another planet. 16. Delphi. Once considered the center of the world by the ancient Greeks, Delphi is rich in mythology and mystery. Set on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, its ruins and oracle temple offer an unforgettable glimpse into ancient prophecy. 15. Meteora. Towering rock formations with monasteries perched on top like floating castles in the sky, Meteora is a surreal sight. Whether you're religious or not, this spiritual landscape leaves a lasting impression. 14. Skiathos. This lush island in the Sporades is home to over 60 stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. It's perfect for those who want both relaxation and fun. 13. Mystros. A medieval ghost town near Sparta, Mystros feels frozen in time. Explore the Byzantine ruins nestled on a hillside and imagine what life was like centuries ago. History truly comes alive here. 12. Corfu. This Ionian gem blends British, Phoenician, and French influences with Greek tradition. Olive groves, dramatic coastlines, and an enchanting old town make Corfu a must for every type of traveler. (11) Milos. Famous for its unique rock formations and hidden beaches, Milos is where nature shows off. The lunar-like landscape of Sarakiniko Beach is unlike anything else in Greece. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming travel videos. And if you want to start planning your own adventures, click the link in the description to grab my ultimate travel planner. It'll make your trips easier to plan and more unforgettable. 10. Rhodes. Once home to the legendary Colossus, Rhodes is steeped in ancient and medieval history. Wander through the old town's cobbled streets and relax on golden beaches, all in one trip. (9) Chios. Often overlooked, Chios is the island of mastic trees, medieval villages, and authentic Greek life. Discover the painted houses of Pyrgi and the island's rich maritime history. (8) Monembasia. This hidden castle town carved into a rock feels like a movie set. Walk through stone archways, sip coffee overlooking the sea, and stay overnight within the fortress walls. (7) Samos. Birthplace of the philosopher Pythagoras, Samos offers a lush green landscape, ancient ruins, and some of the best wine in Greece. It's a peaceful and underrated island worth exploring. (6) Paros. Whitewashed houses, charming villages like Naousa, and crystal-clear beaches. Paros is everything you love about the Cyclades, but without the massive crowds. (5) Mount Olympus. The legendary home of the Greek gods. Hike its trails, feel the mythology around you, and take in breathtaking alpine views. It's one of the most awe-inspiring natural landmarks in the country. (4) Crete. The largest island in Greece is practically a country of its own. From ancient palaces like Nisyros to epic gorges like Samaria and mouth-watering Cretan cuisine, Crete has it all. (3) Athens. More than just a stopover, Athens is a city where the past meets the present. Explore the mighty Acropolis, sip frappés in lively plaka, and experience the raw energy of a city constantly reinventing itself. (2) Santorini. Yes, it's touristy, but for good reason. With its iconic caldera views, sunset vistas, and luxury cave hotels, Santorini is pure romance. But dig deeper, and you'll find ancient ruins and hidden vineyards too. And finally, number 1, Zakynthos, Navajo Beach. Specifically, Navajo Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, with towering limestone cliffs, electric blue waters, and a stranded shipwreck on the shore. This is the postcard-perfect Greek destination. It's jaw-droppingly beautiful, the place that doesn't feel real until you see it for yourself. Take a boat tour, swim in the blue caves, and witness sunset views that feel like a dream. If you can only visit one place in Greece, this is it. Greece is more than just a destination. It's an experience that touches your soul. From its ancient ruins to its island sunsets, every traveler leaves with stories they'll never forget. So, which of these spots are going on your bucket list? Did your favorite Greek destination make the list? Or did we miss a hidden gem? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, because more breathtaking destinations are just around the corner. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.